Come on, baby, take a leap of faith. We got a love that's worth the wait. Darling, you've been on my mind. Gonna love you to the end of time. And I know you're the one.
This time I'm in good company. We are about to board. We're going to Denmark and Aarhus and then Copenhagen. We are in Stansted Airport. We just got some shots of Campari and James got some gin. And it's like 8 a.m. so I expect an interesting day. Woo! Just arrived to ARoS. We are in the bus to get to the city center, and it's snowing. I mean, it's not snowing right now, but the weather is beautiful.
Holly hanging across the door, neighbors singing tales of yore. It's so close, hardly can wait. Waking up on Christmas, children dreaming without a care. 'Tis the season most everywhere.
Look at this.
Yeah, and I just hit the bus. Whoa. Espresso, but it's triple shot. I don't sweeten it. Y'all getting slapped on cause you sleeping in on God. Aside from me, I don't...
James is taking over the filming. Let me know how it goes. Maybe it's better than me. Yes. How about having Chinese? Yeah? Oh my god, this place is so cool. I love it. It seems to be in Japan, which I've never been, but it's on my list for sure. Me happy?
Tartan.
Well, it's chicken with some peanuts, so I think it's quite nutty. What's that, James?
It's a sesame grinder.
Oh, cool. Hello, this is my friend Sarah.
Hi everyone!
She came to say goodbye before we leave. And
It's
we
very
came.
sad, but I'm very happy that they came to visit me, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Just come and visit Aarhus. It's a very nice city, way better than Copenhagen. Yeah, it's totally something that you should see.
You're biased though.
Yeah, I mean, I've been living here for 10 years, so of course it's a place of the heart for me. You, or how we say in Denmark, selvtak.
How do you say it?
Selvtak, because
Selvtak.
they don't have you're welcome in Danish, so they just say thank you to you as well.
Oh, that's nice. Selvtak.
Exactly.
Bye.
Bye. Hi again! So this is the theater, the city of Aarhus, and as you can see it's very beautiful, there are wonderful decorations. And in the old days it used to be the building where the municipality was standing, so it was a political building, but nowadays they moved into another more modern brutalist building close to the central station. But it's also worth visit.
Back to the rapeseed oil factory. The smell. A cheesy smell.
Now you complain if
Oh no. Last thing I'm gonna miss about this place. Time to go. We are here waiting for the bus, which will take us to Copenhagen from ARoS by a boat. It's a bit late. It's pretty cold, but it's quite cozy.